Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Susha's Artworks. Here I'm back again with a new painting, and this time it's not me who's painting this spot, it's my mom. Let's begin. Can you see the patience with which she is moving her brushes? I know it's been a while that I have not posted any video. I'll try to be more frequent and come up with new ideas for painting for you guys. To watch more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Please let me know if you also think my mom should have her own art channel. Thank you.